12 Craycrook Road is a bright and well-proportioned semi-detached family house, which is well presented throughout, situated in the sought-after area of Blackhall. The property retains period features and benefits from off-street parking and private gardens to the front and rear. Accommodation comprises hall, bay-windowed sitting room, breakfast and kitchen, dining room, sitting room or double bedroom 4, 3 further double bedrooms, bathroom with shower. The property also benefits from gas central heating. There is a driveway which parks 2 cars. Blackhall is situated 2 miles northwest of Edinburgh city centre and has a regular bus service to all areas of the city. The area has an excellent selection of local shops and there are good schools in the area. To arrange to view this property, please contact Lindsay's on 0131 229 1212 or visit us online at lindsay's.co.uk.